Hey, today we are in Volkswagen Tiguan MK1 with DSG transmission, and I'm going to show you how to put it into neutral if for some reasons you need to do it to tow your truck, or you need to push it out the road. The electronic systems are out. All you need to do is have something to pry this leather cover. Do it from here, then lift it, and inside you will find this yellow tab over here. You need to press it down really hard, and with this pressed down, try to shift your gearbox into neutral. Remember that your car could roll, so make sure that your parking brake is engaged, or you have something by your wheels to prevent your car from moving without any control. Okay, so let's try to put it into neutral. Okay, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial. Also check my other videos about Volkswagen and other cars, and see you soon.